Well, there's some community outrage over a proposed amphitheater for Pittsburgh's North Shore, and today the City Planning Commission heard more about the proposal. Lynn Hayes-Freeland live on the North Shore with these details. Lynn.
Well, you know, Sonny, it's been several years since we first heard the idea about a development over here on the North Shore. At that time, it included a hotel, restaurant, bars, some retail shops, and several other things. And then the idea seems to have stalled. Well, today, before city planning, that idea came up again. It was tweaked a little bit, but at least one local group says they don't want the plan to move ahead without a protest. These are members of Northside United. They showed up for today's City Planning Commission meeting because they don't believe Continental Real Estate has taken the concerns of the neighboring community into consideration in its plan for development between Heinz Field and PNC Park.
They're taking public property, public dollars, and public privilege, and the public is getting absolutely nothing in return for it.
The development of the North Shore has been 7 years in the making and includes a mix of retail, residential, office, and entertainment space. A focal point to the project is an indoor-outdoor entertainment complex, which would host about 100 events a year and can hold up to 5,500 people in the outdoor venue closest to Heinz Field.
We'll have the building set up at the corner of North Shore Drive again. We want that synergy along North Shore Drive, and so this will be at the corner opposite of Bettis's Grill.
Today was a presentation session for the Planning Commission with a chance for public input in 2 weeks. Northside United says it will definitely be back.
That land on the North Shore of the Ohio River is probably the most exclusive real estate between Chicago and New York. They got it, it's going to be gone. We'll never get it back again. We can't build a hospital there, a museum, a library, nothing that we know will benefit the community. What they're doing is building a market-driven community, and it looks very much like the strip malls they built everywhere else.
And Northside United says some of their other concerns include job development, and they say traffic is another concern, and they plan to bring all of that up when the Planning Commission meets again in 2 weeks. Reporting live from the North Shore, I'm Lynn Hayes-Freeland, KDKA TV News.